Grazie.
It's a Nely?
Nely da Silva.
Ah, my name is Ed, so where are you from?
From here. I was born in Venezuela, my parents were from Portugal.
I'm from Brazil, and he's here, and he lived to Miami, and to work, and asked me to project.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit of the project. This is the first project in 20 years to have a marina, a private marina.
Yeah.
We have 112 boat slips for sale, only for owners who buys an apartment. So you have North Tower and South Tower, the marina in the middle. You will have a gas station in the middle, 2 tanks, 12,000 gallons of diesel and gasoline. The middle of the marina will be floating, and the other 2 marinas will be fixed.
Okay.
Now you will have a master dock, meaning that it's a private marina, fully functional. You will have the people that will clean, will do maintenance, but not mechanical services in the marina. So that's the most important thing about this project. For all those people who like the yacht club living experience. So you have 2 towers, 25 floors each one, 234 units for each one. North Tower already sold out, already built. We're going into closing in October 2015, this year, in 2 months. And then on the South Tower, right? On the South Tower, we're looking, and it's being built right now, and we're looking to close in September 2016. The same thing, you have 234 units here and 234 units on the North Tower, making a total of 468 units. So here you have units units facing to the marina, facing to the south or directly east.
Yeah.
All units are surrounded by water. We do not have 1 bedroom, which makes it, how to say, we makes it very decidable, since there are not a lot of investors and flippers. So it's more for the people that it's going to be in the long time living here with their boats, and mainly maybe the mix of the units is 2 and 3 bedrooms, so 2 plus den and 3 plus den. You do have the parking garage on the back, and well, you know, you have the amenities on the first floor. You have the big pool. It's a beautiful.
Today, Miami is the best.
Well, depending on the best, you do have here price per square footage is about $550. And new construction is the best project, price per square footage, and also for what it offers. It offers the first marina, private marina in 20 years. It's not easy to find a marina. You gotta be on a list, waiting list to have your boat in the marina. So here people who really wants a boat really can park their boat during the whole year. You don't need to move it when the hurricane season comes in. It's a fully protected marina. We have marinas going from 40 feet to 100 feet. We're sold out on the 100, we're sold out on the 80s, we're sold out on the 50 and the 40s. Almost sold out on the 60, I only have 2 left, and I have 3 left of 70s and 90. So there's about 5 left. So that's the most important thing. Most of the people that have bought here is because they want to live like a yacht club experience. They like the activities on the ocean.
And the project, and you ask me to bedrooms, the apartments, 1 bedroom?
No, we do not have 1 bedrooms. We never wanted to 1 bedrooms. It's better because this is the first marina in 20 years. So for 1 bedrooms, we didn't want it because they're so small. So our units are big, and the 2 bedrooms are about, the smallest one is 177 metros cuadrados.
Yeah.
And the largest one is it's about 400 meters, square meters.
Okay.
So they're very big units. So for 1 bedrooms, really, the price is.
Wow.
So on the ocean, you have units that we sell here for at 1.7, and ocean for 3 bedrooms will go for 5 million. Here will be 1.7, 1.6. So that's the difference. There is about 280 projects going on the area between Coconut Grove all the way to Palm Beach. We are the only first one among the rest to have a construction loan.
Então ele investe into projects in Marina Palm Beach Yacht Club in the Miami.
It's in Miami. I mean, we're right near to the ocean, 20 minutes to get to the ocean. We're right inside the intercoastal, so therefore you see the marina. It's very private. It's very secure, safe for the hurricane. You don't need to move your boat depending on what the... Yes, I mean, you will have the marina.
Yeah. Okay. And they move in this place, the project. Yeah.
Wait.
Okay. So we go.
So here you want to show. You want to show something of the client. So the location is like this.
Yeah.
This is the two towers. This is a park. You're about 5 minutes away from Aventura Mall.
Aventura Mall.
You're 7 minutes away from Sunny Isle, from the ocean.
Yeah. And the question, and here in this place, the downtown Miami.
Half an hour.
Half an hour. Yeah.
Let me see. Marina Palms, downtown. Port of Miami, half an hour.
Half an hour.
Marina Palms to the airport, half an hour either side. Okay. Marina Palms to Fort Lauderdale Airport, half an hour. So you're in the middle. 95 South, Stadium, right here. You're right near to everything. Ball Harbor, Shopping Mall, Aventura Mall. All surrounded by water. To go by boat, you come from here, exit through here, and go down, or up. But up, you have bridges.
Bridges?
To Fort Lauderdale. So here, it takes you 20 minutes by boat to get out of here.
Okay, in downtown Genius, this place, these maps.
In order to go to downtown, you come by the boat right here.
Okay.
Here's downtown. Or you can go into Miami Port. This is Miami Port.
Yeah.
Or you can go down and you go through Key Biscayne and you go to the Keys.
Okay.
So the Keys are right here. You come out here. You go to Key Largo, you go to Isla Morada, Marathon, and Key West. Right here. Key West is right here.
Okay. And this place is department showroom.
You want to go to the model?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go to the model. We have a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We're almost sold out on that line. It's about 2,114 square meter under AC, meaning that it will be 196 square meters. So it's a very big unit. So you have here the 2 bedrooms.
Two bedrooms.
This is the entrance. This will be the half bathroom.
Oh, wow. Bedroom. Well,
so you have the mirror, you have the sink, you have the toilets, all painted in white. Yeah. Here will be your den. This is your den. Here's your laundry. Your washer and dryer, the developer gave us to you, so you don't have to buy. So here, the entrance, even though the people from South America don't like it at the entrance, it's here. Because in America, you have to be practical. We don't have maids. Yeah, and this is your living area. So your living area, it's really big. You have 2 exits towards the balcony. The kitchen is this one. It comes, as you see, it comes all done. You just have to put the flooring. So you have everything done by Esnadero. Then you have your sub-zero freezer and your freezer. Yeah. Then you have your oven, micro oven. And then you have your dishwasher, Bosch. All really good. Yeah. You have the hot. You have this. This is quartz. So all of this comes. No flooring. You have to put your flooring, okay? But you will have packages for you by the developer.
This is a living room and see.
You'll see the south of the marina. So exactly you can be cooking here and you can see the water right here from the fourth floor.
Fourth floor.
Yeah, the marina. The problem is that once you come here, this is not the actual view. Now, you have this unit, you put it under. You see the first line of a balcony, that will be this unit. So you have a unit facing to the marina and the other one facing to the south.
Marina is too big, too yachts, big and small.
You have 40 feet to 100 feet. Those are the biggest ones, yeah. 100 feet, you can put 107. You know, they're big jets, really big. Very nice.
It's
Yeah.
beautiful. The best product, this place in here in downtown Miami, swimming pool, and 24 open in Marina.
I mean, the marina will be open only for the owners.
Yeah.
So you will have the people that will help you to clean the boat, to fuel the boat. How do you say? I don't know if they have times of entrance right now. It's too early to decide how it's gonna be run. What will be the hours? Usually, you know, they go to Bimini or to Bermuda, they will come at night. They will have people there because they have security 24/7.
Tuesday, it's the project is using
The apartamento? Yes. Well, we don't have that many left. On the north tower sold out. On the south tower, there is about 35 units left out of the 234. So it's about 85% sold out. Yeah. So we have about 30 units left to buy, to sell, you know, for the people.
Okay.
You still have an opportunity to buy, and you still have an opportunity to buy a Marina Sleep, a Vada. But if you don't want to buy a Marina Sleep, you can also be a member of the private club. So what happens to the owners who doesn't buy a Marina Sleep can be a member. You pay a membership fee and $350 per month, and you have boats, jet skis, kayaks, paddleboards to your disposition. And if you don't want to be a member, you do not have to be a member, but they will charge you a little bit higher per day for the boats. So it's not a problem. It doesn't matter if you have it or not have it. So here is the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, the master bath comes with flooring from here in.
Yeah, from here.
Because it has a shower for the TCO, which is the temporary certificate of occupation, we need to have flooring on the bathroom. So this is the furniture, this is the two sinks, this is what is coming, the big mirror comes, the bathtub, the whole shower, everything comes painted in white. Painted in white. This is wallpaper, it doesn't come. This is the electronic toilet that becomes a bidet and warms up your throat. In Japan, they use it.
Okay, it's the apartments, the biometry, it's hand identification?
No. I think it will be key fob. Yeah, no.
Okay.
No. It's very simple. People who likes boats, people who likes yachting, they like life simple. Yeah. They don't like this is a walk-in closet.
It's big closed.
Yeah, it's very big.
Very important para aquisition de my wife and utilization the shorts name today.
It's very big.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends, you know, on what what would you like. This is the master bedroom, so it's very big, and it has an exit towards the towards the balcony.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay. Let's name to. Big home, and master I see. And today, Monday, Sunday, and it's the best, the vision, the next project. Marina Palm Street. Very good. Okay.
So now let's go every